guys, it's Extreme Exploring here tonight. We're at a waterfall. I got Jesse, got Jake, I got Ryan, and I got Fern, and we're gonna go view this waterfall. Huh? Dude, I think we found the country road.
Country roads,
take me home. Hey Ryan, I think we found the country road. We're almost at the waterfall. Guys, after 30 anticlimactic seconds of hiking, we found it.
Bulls Creek. Let's go home.
Now we still got further to go. What? There's more.
Oh, wait.
To the Blackout Ski Resort. Oh,
Why
okay.
the water not cooperating with the waterfall?
Yeah, what's going on here?
I don't know.
Dude, this is awesome though. Let me get some shots. West Virginia. Guys, getting a little darker, but we're about to go to a sketchy bridge. Y'all ready?
Got the sticky oh.
Oh dude, look, it's the start of the waterfall. This is where it begins. Guys, this is where the waterfall begins. I know, I was getting a picture of the waterfall. Yeah, I definitely heard a noise too, Jake. Don't think about it yet, Jake. It's still light out. Nothing bad can happen in the light. Oh, this is sketch. Dude, this is 100% sketch. Yeah, maybe we shouldn't all be on. Ryan! Ryan! We're gonna sink!
Immigration.
That'd be really funny if it just
Alright. We made Cobain.
Yes,
And female Kurt Cobain. Hey!
West Virginia,
We're live. Hey, do your dance. Do the song.
life is older, older than the tree, younger than the mountain, growing like take me home to the place.
So we found some shotgun shells.
Yeah.
Kind of freaky. Jake has a flower now.
Bro, this
Ryan
ain't
and
no
Fern
hunting
are the
here,
way.
but they're shooting shotguns.
Yeah, it says no hunting here, but
Sketch.
there are some
Very
shotgun
sketch.
shells. There's also a lot of nice shrubbery though. So let's hope we don't see a mountain lion next. Hey, are there mountain lions here? Probably. What the? Yeah, also we kind of have weird clothing right now because we don't want to get bitten by ticks. Am I right, Ryan? No ticks. Have you ever been there?
Yeah, you want to go check it out?
I'll let you check it out. Here, you want the camera?
Yes, bro. I didn't get them.
Here, you can, since you drove us here, you can get this action shot. Don't turn it off, just keep it rolling and I'll edit it later.
All right. Who's coming with?
Ticky ticks. Ticky got the sticky oh.
Ticky bit me with the sticky. I always keep forgetting about this building ever being here.
I'm coming anyway.
Didn't want to be left alone for the bobcat. My flower. Whatever you do not step inside the building.
Why?
Because it's rotting.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Rotting. Me too.
But as you can see down there,
yeah, we weren't even looking for that.
It's
Leave
like-
the tree away from me. That's
it's
how
like
you
an
know.
abandoned, like, I don't know what it is, but there's like,
Dude, why is like this side nice though?
I don't know.
Like, do you notice
I'm not worried about poison
It sounds
ivy.
like
I'll
really-
die anyway.
Do you notice that the side's like really nice?
My family.
See that, Jesse?
Hey, it's more
The
ferns.
side's like really nice actually.
Yeah, bro.
And then the rest of it's just
Thanks,
awful.
sweet.
Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.
All right, now we're gonna return to the trail. It's muddy. Jake, it's muddy. I hope we don't have to run back in the dark from something. Or else. I really hope we don't. So as you can see, it's a little later now. We've been walking for like 20 minutes. What you said, Jake?
Yeah.
I have no idea where we are.
We're deep in the woods.
I hope Ryan knows where we are. We're very deep in the woods, as you can see. We are kind of out in the middle of nowhere. please do me a favor and do the SpongeBob surfer dude laugh? So we see a building down there. Not really sure what it is. We think it controls the reservoir around here.
You're dying.
Are we gonna go investigate the building? No. No? There's a light on it, so we're not going.
Can we get in?
This reservoir's lit.
Can I jump in?
I wanna take a dip.
A skinny dip.
Look at that reservoir.
Yes, can I?
We've made it almost. We're almost there, Jake. Jesse, we're almost there. As you can see, there's the ski lift. We're getting to the top. As you can see, it's also really dark now compared to whenever we started out, at least. And I think we made it to the top. We got to Blue Knob, and as you can see here, the ski lifts. And obviously it's not in session right now. It is the middle of summer. We might do a skiing video in the winter if we get 50 likes on this video. Keep that in mind. But for now, just taking the scenery. Alrighty. Lift number 2, yo. That's what it says on here.
Hit it.
We're not allowed to be in here, so we're just gonna... Dude, there's a cinder block in here.
Sweet.
There's literally just a cinder block, there's a picture of some dude, and then there's a red button. Don't.
No, you can't open it.
We are starting our descent. Bye-bye. Alright, so Ryan and Fern are still up there, but we didn't want to wait around any longer, so we are heading down. Jesse, Jake, and I. We will clock back in later.
When it turns red, right? Yeah, there we go. Alright guys, we're going back. It's pretty dark. I'm scared. Jake's scared. I'm scared. Matt, you scared?
Oh!
I stepped in a mud.
That means Matt's scared.
My whole shoes are brown.
Yeah, our whole shoes are very brown.
They started out black.
Hey, show me that shoe. Oh, that is a beautiful shoe.
That's a beauty
Alright,
right
but
there.
yeah, we're about a third of the way down.
Yeah.
We're trekking. We're hiking. We are straight hiking on a trail that really we should not be hiking on because it's muddy like every 5 seconds, but it's fine.
Alright guys, so it is pitch black out, and we don't know where Fern and Ryan are, so we're just gonna wing it and hope that they find us at the car. Turn off, turn off. Alright, we caught up with Ryan and Fern. What's going on? What was it? Was it the music? So, are we just turning the music off then?
Can you describe what you saw?
Yeah, what did it sound
Or what
like?
you heard?
You heard rustling, that was probably just a bird.
Take one way.
I'm gonna get the...
You can go this way.
Dude, this is terrifying. Oh, I don't like this, Jake. This is kind of scary at night. Did it really?
Yeah, alright.
Here.
My whole toes.
Alright, well, I'm done recording now because it's pitch black.